Hi there. Are you tired of seeing the new Meta AI feature on WhatsApp and wondering how to get rid of it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp. What is Meta AI or search? First, let's quickly break it down. Meta AI is a new optional feature on WhatsApp that lets you interact with artificial intelligence. Here's what it can do: answer your questions, provide recommendations, teach you something new, help you brainstorm ideas, even create AI-generated images. Sounds cool, right? But it's not for everyone. And here's the catch: it's currently available only in limited countries. If it's available to you, you'll notice a colorful blue circle at the top of your chat list. Tapping that icon will open Meta AI. Now, if you're not a fan of this feature, here's the reality. As of May 2024, WhatsApp doesn't give you the option to hide or remove Meta AI directly, but there's a workaround. You can revert to an older version of WhatsApp where Meta AI isn't included. Let me walk you through the steps. Option 1, Step 1. Clear WhatsApp data tap and hold the WhatsApp app on your phone. From the menu that pops up, select App Info. Next, tap Storage or Storage and Cache. Depending on your device, you'll see two options: Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Choose both. Or you'll see Clear Data. This does the same thing. Keep in mind, clearing data will log you out of WhatsApp, so make sure you have your account details ready to log back in. Step 2. Reinstall WhatsApp now. Open WhatsApp again and log in using your phone number. If all goes well, you'll find the older version without Meta AI. But if the feature is still there, don't worry. There's one more step. Option 2. Install an older version. Visit any trusted website that offers older versions of WhatsApp, download, and install a version from before Meta AI was introduced. This should do the trick. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and hit the subscribe button for more practical tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.